Transform your table this holiday season with my snowfall coasters. In this tutorial I will be showing you how to crochet up a whole stack of them in no time at all. I'm going to be using some double knit yarn with a 4mm hook, a darning needle and some scissors. So I'm going to start by putting a slip knot on my hook and chaining 4. Then going to join with a slip stitch to that first chain, like so, and then chain 1. This doesn't count as a stitch. We're now going to be working into the ring, and I'm going to put 12 single crochet into the ring. That's 1, 2, 11 and 12. I'm then going to join to that first single crochet with a slip stitch. Now I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to put a single crochet in the same place, and then chain 3, and then I'm going to put a single crochet into the next stitch, chain 3, single crochet into the next stitch, and I'm just going to repeat this all the way around. So you're going to put a single crochet and then a chain 3 into each stitch, and then we're going to finish with a slip stitch into that first single crochet. So you should have a total now of 12 chain 3 spaces. For the next row we're going to slip stitch into this next space, chain 1 and single crochet into the same space, chain 3, single crochet into the next chain space, chain 3, and again we're going to repeat this all the way around with single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3 into each space, and then we're going to end with a slip stitch into that first single crochet. And again we have 12 chain 3 spaces. So for the next round we're going to slip stitch into the next chain space. So in this first space we're going to work a beginning cluster, so we'll chain 2, yarn over, hook goes into the space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, hook goes into the space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we've got 1, 2, 3 stitches for the beginning of our cluster, so we'll just yarn over and pull through all of those loops and then chain 1. So we only do that for the first cluster of the round. Now we're going to work normal clusters, so yarn over, hook goes in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, repeat that twice more, like so, yarn over, pull through all of those loops and then chain 1. So we're working 2 clusters into each chain space. I'll show you once more. So it's 3 stitches for each cluster and then chain 1 in between them all, and 2 clusters into each space. And we're going to repeat that all the way around. I've worked all the way around, and I'm just going to finish by joining with a slip stitch to the top of that first cluster. And now I'm going to slip stitch across into the next stitch and then into this chain space, chain 1, and I'm going to put single crochet, chain 2 and a single crochet all into that same space, and then look for the next space, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, and I'm going to work all the way around, putting single crochet, chain 2, single crochet into each space. Once you've worked all the way around, you'll just finish by putting slip stitch into that first single crochet, and then you can fasten off. These coasters are the perfect size for a wine glass or a candle, and if you're looking for more festive makes, then take a look at my Christmas crochet playlist. Bye bye now.